Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today we are tackling the highlight declutter. I am really excited to go through these and share with you guys what I'm keeping and what I'm going to pass along or throw away because it is old. So let's go ahead and just get into it. Okay, so I kind of have them divided up a little bit by like creams and palettes and powders and all of that kind of fun stuff. So let me just kind of get organized here. So let's, I guess, go ahead and start off with the cream highlighters. So these are like liquid and creams. Okay, so these are all of my CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighters. Now, I originally bought the number 3, and I found that it was kind of dark as a highlighter, but I really enjoy using this as like a blush topper. And then, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that CoverGirl sent me PR, which, can we just talk about that for a second? Like, I legit lost my poop, and I still haven't found it. Like, it's just insane. So anyways, they sent me, all of the shades of these, and so I kept the shades 1 and 2, which 1 is like a very icy white kind of color, so I kind of like to add this as more of a highlight because it is just a nice glow on my skin, whereas 3 is too dark. And then I also kept 2 because it looked kind of like a light goldish shift to it almost, and to be honest, I haven't really played with the 1 and the 2 that much, just yesterday for the first time, so I want to hold on to these and try them a little bit more, but I really do like that formula because it's a cream, but it dries down really fast. These I love. These are the Wet n Wild Hello Halo liquid highlighters. These are relatively new from Wet n Wild, and I love these. They are such a beautiful formula. The 2 shades that I have is Gilded Glow, which is this one right here, the gold one, and then Halo Goodbye is the like pinkish one I have. I really enjoy both of them, so I'm going to keep those. My Becca liquid in Champagne Pop I'm totally keeping. I love this. Okay, these I'm going to keep. This is the Wet n Wild Makeup Revolution liquid highlighting drops in Luminous Gold. They are so pretty. It actually reminds me a lot of the Wet n Wild's Gilded Glow one. They're kind of a similar tone, but I love that tone so much. And then I'm also going to keep my Benefit What's Up highlighter. I love this. I think I'm actually going to move this to my like everyday makeup drawer because I really want to use this more, and I haven't lately, so I think I'm going to move that in there. Now these 4, I actually think I'm going to get rid of all 4 of these. This is the Essence Make Me Glow liquid highlighter. It's okay. It's not my favorite. You get so much product out on that doe foot. And it's pretty. It's just not my favorite. It kind of feels a little greasy, and the punch is just not that much. So I think I'm going to pass that along. This is the NYX Away We Glow liquid highlighter. I don't enjoy this that much. The stopper is like really hard to, or like the doe foot is really hard to get out with the stopper. And it's a nice formula. It's just a little, or it's a nice shade, I'm sorry, but the formula is just like a little streaky. Can you guys kind of see that? You just see kind of the streakiness of it, and I just don't love that. This is NARS Copacabana. I think it came in like a birthday set or something. It's like so dried out and gross. Yeah, no, I think I'm going to pass that or throw that away. This is the Rimmel Good to Glow Soho Glow liquid highlighters. I really like this, but I don't need it anymore, and I think it's really old. I should probably throw this away too. So I'm going to keep all of those and get rid of these 4. Okay, let's do palettes really fast. So this is from Flower Beauty. This is their highlighting palette. You guys, best highlighters at the drugstore, hands down. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, I cannot live without this palette, so I'm totally keeping that. The Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette in Solstice. It's so reflective, the packaging, the mirror, all of it. But you get like 2 creams and then 1 cream and 3 powders. I thought that was a cream. And oh my gosh, it's so beautiful and just metallic. I absolutely love it. My Anastasia blush kit glow kit, I'm sorry, in Sugar. Oh, I love this so much. I'm gonna keep that as well. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Nude Highlighter Palette in, what are you? Moon Kissed. And it's just so subtle. You just don't really get a highlight with these shades. So I'm just going to pass that along. The same thing with this strobing palette from Koki. It's pretty. I would say you get more of a punch with these than you do with the L'Oreal, but it's still just not enough for my taste. So I'm going to give that away. And this I've had for a really long time. This is the City Color Timeless Beauty Palette. It's such a pretty palette. You get like 3 or 4 really pretty blush shades and 3 highlighter shades. The highlighters are honestly too dark for me to use on my skin, and the blushes are really pretty, but I've had this for a very long time, and I just don't ever reach for it, so I'm gonna give that away as well. All right, let's go ahead and do some single eyeshadow stuff, or eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. Like, what is my deal? Single highlighters. Okay, I'm gonna do all drugstore, and then we'll do all high-end. I don't have, well, I mean, I have some high-end stuff. I don't know. Where does Ofra go? I'll put Ofra in the high-end because it's a little bit more expensive. Okay, these are my e.l.f. HD highlighting powders, which I love. I have Pearl Glow, which is like a white. I have Starlight Glow, which is a champagne, which is my favorite. And then I have Sunset Glow, which is a dark, like a deeper color. Sunset Glow, I think I'm gonna pass on. It's just too dark for me. And then I really, really enjoy these two a lot. I kind of like to mix them, to be honest. So I'm gonna keep those. My Essence Pure Nude, I love this highlighter. It is so stunning. It's just the most like subtle, beautiful glow. It's right there. I mean, I shear it out. Like, that's a really saturated swatch, and so it looks pretty pigmented, but when you shear it out, it doesn't look like that at all. And it's just beautiful. I love it. So I'm definitely going to keep that. This one from Maybelline, this is their Master Chrome in Molten Gold. I actually used this more of as an eyeshadow, and I used it wet. That's why I have like hard pan and it looks all nasty. I mean, it's pretty, but it is just so dark for my skin tone. Like, as a highlighter, I just can't use it like that. And to be honest, I don't need another gold eyeshadow, so I'm going to pass that along. My Physicians Formula Natural Nude, I love this so much. I use it so often, so I'm going to keep that. This one from Collab is their the Filter Highlighting Powder in Uncensored. It's really pretty. It's kind of subtle. It's not the most metallic highlighter ever, which I don't hate, but I just don't need it. You know, it's right there. Like, I have 1,000,001 highlighters that look like that, so I'm just going to pass this along. This Wet n Wild one, everyone raves about these, and yeah, they're pretty. I just never reach for it. You know, like, I just don't. So I feel like since I don't ever reach for it, I probably should give that away as well. This is the Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick in Radiant. I live for this highlighter, you guys. It is so beautiful. It's kind of bronzy, but honestly, if you stick to like up here, just these two, it is light enough for my skin tone, and it's almost like a cool toned highlighter. It's like a cool brown, so I think it's interesting, and it just looks so natural on the cheeks, so I'm going to keep that one. Okay, so moving on to my high-end highlighters. Now, some of these, it's going to be hard for me to get rid of, to be honest, but I love them so much. It's so hard. Okay, you know what? Okay, no, never mind. Okay, so I'm going to keep all 3 of my Ofra ones. I love all of these so much. Yeah, we're just gonna keep all of those. Guys, I am a sucker for a good highlighter. Okay, Champagne Pop. I mean, can we talk about this? Like, yeah, I'm keeping it. Duh. It's the best Becca highlighter ever because it's just the best tone for my skin tone. It just looks like my skin, but it just makes it look so beautiful. There's a reason I have the powder and the liquid version of this one. It's so good. MAC Soft and Gentle. I like it. It's good. I don't know. Do I want to keep it though? I just feel like it's kind of blah. but it's MAC. And I'm like, oh, God, knife in the gut. Okay, I don't know about that one. But it's like, why am I keeping it just if it's MAC? Like, I feel like I don't wear it enough. I probably will give that away. Oh gosh, that is like huge. Okay, Tarte's Exposed Highlighter. I love this highlight so much. Totally keeping that one. My Lorac ones in Starlight and Moonlight. Moonlight is more of a pinky one, which I just don't know if I wear those too often anymore. I feel like I don't need the Lorac and the Laura Geller Charming Pink. Like, let me look and see which one I would wear probably more. I feel like I would wear Charming Pink more from Laura Geller. So I'm going to keep Charming Pink and pass along this one. You guys, I can't believe I'm getting rid of high-end highlighters. Like, that's crazy to me. Okay, so I'm going to keep Starlight from Lorac. I'm keeping Charming Pink. Okay, Stardust from Mally. Live for this highlighter. It is so, so beautiful. It's just a really gorgeous gold. But Gilded Honey is also a really pretty gold, and I've had it for, you know, a pretty long time. They look so stinking similar, and I enjoy both of them for different reasons. Because I feel like the Gilded Honey is more like concentrated, and then the Mally one you can kind of like sheer out a little bit more. You know what I mean? Oh gosh, they're both so beautiful. I have to keep both of them. Whatever. It makes me happy. And then Peach Glow from Laura Geller. I also really enjoy this one because it is a nice, just kind of like peachy tone, although it might be a little too dark for my skin tone, I think. So I think I'm going to get rid of this one as well. Okay, you guys, so I'm keeping 25 and I'm getting rid of 14. Now, that's not a huge, huge declutter, but honestly, now I can look at this and just have such good options, know exactly what I would use, know that I love every single thing and that everything works with my skin tone. And so that is something that is just really important to me, is just to make sure I have things that I love and that I could grab and wear and not have to worry about like the time of year. Is my skin darker? Is my skin lighter? Like all of that kind of stuff. So that is it for this declutter. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.